Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce this phrase, meaning in French, fresh water. This is also the name of some perfumes, including one by Chanel, but also one by Versace from Italy. So how do you pronounce this name? Well, we'll be looking at how to say more interesting luxury brand names too, and beauty brand names, so make sure to stay tuned. How do you say this in French in France? For reference, it is said as eau, meaning water, eau. And then fraîche, meaning fresh. Eau fraiche is how it would be said in France. Now in English it'd be fine to say it as eau fraiche. Eau fraiche by Chanel or Versace, eau fraiche. Pretty straightforward once you know eau fraiche from French, eau fraiche. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names of different fragrances, perfumes, but also brand names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.